Oh, I guess how dark it is. It's like pretty early in the morning, but it's pretty wet. Raining pretty heavy. You can see even the inside's getting it. So got a day off as I had all outside work on for this whole week. So obviously the rain determines what we're doing there. But basically I'm gonna try my best. Should get all this built and this built. I'm gonna try my very best to at least get that halfway up and maybe just leave the peak. Same here. Don't want to go too high. If I can go to 2 course or maybe another one in the corner, same there. I think I still need to tie these timbers together as well, a wee bit better than what way they are done. And then I'll be happy with that. And then I will get this slip sill built up. Has to come up 7 inches, so this lands just below that mortar joint. So if I get that built in, it means that I'm ready to go for the door frames. As I've got somebody coming, good mate of mine actually, is coming to stick all the door frames on for me. Bar this one. This one's different. This is going to be, there's actually only a single door in that, but it's glass either side. So we're going to do something a wee bit different with that frame. I think he wants it thicker, just so it doesn't bow as easy, and he has to pin it up into the head as well. So he did tell me don't feel under pressure, but I do feel a bit under pressure. Definitely need to get these done and that slip sill done. That's priority. Have the slip sill sitting out there. And 7 inches allows me 4 inches of screed and 3 inches of insulation. Give or take a couple of mil either way. Won't really matter. The plan is that's his level. He'll set these ones out here. And then he said don't worry about these ones because I can then take my level off to build them slip sills. Same here, I can take a level from here to there, which is actually very good thinking. Also means if there's any slight discrepancies that I'm closer, and it's just going to work out good for me. Thought it was good thinking from him as well. So yeah, I'm gonna crack on. The big mixer is away on different jobs, so the Evolution is going to pull me out of a hole for mixing all these wee bits and pieces. Again, the bucket goes a good distance. Like a bucket will probably do that and maybe do most of that, and a bucket will probably do that. So don't need a huge amount mixed anyway. But the wee Evolution mixer will pull me out of a hole today, and again I have the Evolution saw that'll do all the cuts because there's a few wee angles here to get sorted. So yeah, wish me luck guys, I really need to push on here. So how I'm getting on, pretty good. Nice wee angles cut, nice and tidy. That one actually needs a wee shave off it when it sets. I'm going to go around with the handheld grinder and get the bits, but finished all the way up. Bit of a straight going on there, so I'm going to mesh all this when I come plastering time, but it's sometimes it's wee silly things like that timber. That's all concrete screws are up into that, believe it or not, and I can't get them out. I've destroyed 2 bits trying to get them out. They're well bored up in, so I can't even see them. So I'm gonna have to saber saw it off. So the rest of that screw is just gonna have to live there from now on. That's its new home, and that's the call for pizza. So I'm gonna go and get a bit of pizza as well. That's that at least, and no doubt the pizza's cold. I just need to top up a few more. Plaster will kill it anyway, but just don't want to rub a hand across and get sliced. So all done. So next stage, gonna jump up here, get a couple row on there, and then way at the door here, I'm gonna put this slip sill in, the big long boil. I'll build that in there, up 7 inches, and then I'll be pretty happy. Again, I'll probably not finish all that today. I'll try, but it'll be a bit too risky going on its end, that road. See how I get on. So far I'm pretty happy just getting all them tops done and just moving every wee job at a time, getting there. Fell short here, guys, as I thought I would. Didn't get the slip sill in, but I'm not too bothered because I have these trestles built and it's taking up a lot of room here. But I'll just show you what I got done up here. So here we are, got this started. So still quite a few wee blocks to go on both sides. I'll just climb up and show you a bit better. Watch, because it's a bit wobbly, but yeah, getting on well up this side. So obviously there's going to be a lot of awkward cuts, very dark at the minute, that's why I'm going to pack up and I'm going to get my level and stuff washed. So my main thing here is I can level that corner not too bad anyway, but want to make sure I get this nice and plumb up and down, because looking at this wall, both these angles probably be most important. Looking up at it again, where you see that sort of truss sticking out there, that's going to be a wee ceiling flush to this and across and up. You'll probably not really make sense of that until I actually get it framed out and maybe even boarded. And again, still contemplating putting these wee windows in, like 2 wee windows either side of this, just basically steal a bit of light from the skylight. And same here, if ever I'm using up there, a wee bit more natural light wouldn't go amiss, that's for sure. So yeah, get on well, happy enough, nice and tidy, taking my time. Them blocks are grey because they've been outside, used up all the dry ones, but pretty happy that I've finally got one thing ticked off the box, and that's all the top blocks are done. So moving on to this, I'm away rendering tomorrow, so it'll probably be the weekend I'll get in. Not sure I'll get it finished in one more day. Probably if I do some here and then do some down at the slip sill and then come back this, I'll have that read up, and then I can drop all these trestles and show you a really good view of it. It'll be nice when it's all the trestles and clean up the floor, give you a nice image of it then you'll maybe be on the same path as me. But that's it for this one, this exciting episode. Again, all this is going to need taken care of as well.
What we do in life echoes in eternity.
Aww.